niggas mug me cause they must be think I'm fucking they girl. Wanna touch me cause I'm paid and moving up in the world. I ain't a threat, them niggas just hating and disrespecting to get a rep. That's why I ain't been intimidated by another nigga yet. They get upset and hate to see a pimp succeed. I hustle with my mouthpiece to get the shit I need. Cash flow, cars, clothes, fine hoes and weed. But every time I roam the street, I got to tow some heat. Blowing the sweet, riding 1D, banging my shit. I run my G out by my lonely fucker sidekick. I know they got some pussy ass boys wanting to off me, just cause the Lord done blessed me with $1 million mouthpiece. I ignore them niggas who earn their stripes disrespecting. I let them flex and catch them by themselves when they least expect it. It's my profession that got these haters wanting to set me up.